YouTube. What's the scene? It's your boy Chef back with another video, man. I ain't gonna lie, today's video is gonna be a lit one today, yo. Today we finally putting the downpipe tune on my BMW M2 G87, yeah. As you see in New York, it's a little cold outside today, so Pick how to fucking bundle up, but do homework on the snap-on vest. Hello. But yeah, man, that's what's going on today, yo. Oh shit. Let me get out the way. But yeah. Right now well, I got the perk at the shop already though. So oh shit, hold on. Damn, yo. Give this shit a cold start. Yeah, but back to what I was saying. I already got the car at the shop already right now. I mean, not the car. Fuck. The downpipe. The downpipe's at the shop already now. So around like 1:30, 2 o'clock, I'm gonna head over there. And I'm gonna put that shit in with my boy Brandon. Do your homework on my boy Brandon, man. Shout out my boy Brandon. So we gonna go over there and do that shit. I'm about to head to the bank right now. And then I gotta make a trip to Harbor Freight. Cause I also gotta grab some tools and shit like that. They got a good sale on tools and shit. I'm not really a Harbor Freight guy. Your boy's a fucking snap-on guy, but I ain't gonna lie. Tools is tools. Nah, I mean not say that, but a deal is a deal. See what I'm saying? So I'm about to go over there right now, see what they got and shit. But yeah, catch out boys when I'm driving, my boy. Alright, my boy. We're here at the shop right now. About to start with the downpipe. Got Papito Nick watching this. R Dom's in the spot. Yeah, man, we fucking here. That's valve open. Nah, this should definitely. Yo. Yeah, bro. So you about to do that? Alright, my boys. It's currently the next morning. Yesterday at the shop, I wasn't able to record too much and shit because we was busy working on the car and shit, and they was playing music in here and shit. Cause you know, the boy Chef not trying to get copyrighted and shit. But right now, I'm gonna give y'all boys, the downpipes are in, as you heard from the previous clip, so I'm gonna give y'all boys a cold start. Valves closed, valves open, all that shit, so let me see. Alright. Open the valves. Shit. This shit is definitely way louder, 100%. You could definitely hear the tone. Yeah. When it idles down, it's not too bad. but it's definitely louder, 100%. 100%. When it warms up, give y'all boys a little rev. Yeah, might give y'all boys a little POV drive.